Good everyone, you're watching Creative Fixes. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to fix Microsoft Store error 0x80070005 in your Windows machine. Now you will come across this error message when you're trying to download or install any updates for your Microsoft Store apps. Now there are a couple of steps which you could try to get this issue resolved. Now the first step to resolve this issue is to go ahead and run wsreset command. To do this, you will have to do a right click on the start button and then click on run. In the run window, you may go ahead and type wsreset and then click on OK. This should reset or clear the cache for your Microsoft Store in your Windows machine. And with the time, you should see Microsoft Store being open. Once you have the Microsoft Store open, you can try downloading or updating your apps and check if your issue has been resolved. In case if your issue has been resolved, well and good, you don't need to try the next step. Now the next step, what you could do is you can go ahead and sign out and sign in Microsoft Store on your computer. To do this, you will have to open Microsoft Store. At the top right corner, you will have to click on your profile and then click on sign out. As you sign out, you will have to go ahead and sign in back and check if your issue has been resolved. In case if your issue has been resolved, well and good, you don't need to try the next step. Now the next thing what you could do is you can try renaming BrokerPlugin settings on your computer. Now the first thing what you will have to do is you will have to enable hidden files and folders for your computer. To do this, you will have to open File Explorer. You can do a right click on the start button and then click on File Explorer. Once you have the File Explorer open, you may click on the three dotted lines or at the top right corner to see more option and then click on options, click on view. Under view, make sure you have show hidden files and folders being checked. Click on apply and then click on OK. Once this is done, you can go to my video description and copy the path from my video description and paste it in the address bar and hit enter. This should take you to the BrokerPlugin settings. Once you're on this, you can do a right click and then click on show more option. Click on rename. Rename this file as OLD. Hit enter. Close this window, restart your computer, and that should go ahead and recreate the BrokerPlugin files on your computer. Once this is done, you may try to open Microsoft Store and you should be able to download or update your Microsoft apps on your computer. So all this should definitely fix the problem. In spite of trying all this step, if you're still facing a problem, I would suggest you to leave me a comment in the comment section so that I can come up with the possible solution. I hope this video was useful. In case if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Have a great day.